Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Video testing po tayo ng unit. And shoutout po especially kay Sir Alan. Sir, welcome to 5th generation hobby shop. Sir Alan, shoutout po sa inyo dyan. This is your unit sir, the Glock 17 Gen 5 WE brand. Comes with the 0.20 grams 4,000 shots for free. 5.95mm airsoft BBs, Jer brand. Ayan. And also comes with free green gas. Standard power, number 12, Pop Dino brand. And of course, this is your unit. This is the box, WE. Made in Taiwan. 17, Glock 17 Gen 5. Okay. Buksan na natin yung box. Also comes with the owner's manual. And also comes with 2 box straps. And the pin. And the unit. Glock 17 Gen 5. Ambidextrous slide stop. Serrations on rear, no serrations on front. With the rail mount for accessories, flashlight. You can install flashlight in here. So we have flashlight here, sir. Ayan. Very nice. Maganda siyang flashlight kasi madali siyang ilagay. Ayan. And this is ito yung power. Ambidextrous. And we also have another model. Ayan. So hindi siya malalaglag kasi meron siyang lock sa ilalim. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-stopper niya. Magpi-fit siya dito. Ayan. Maganda siya. Flashlight. Then you can also install red dot optic on your Glock 17. Pwede siyang lagyan ng red dot optic. Recommended for Glock 17 is the RMR red dot. Ayan. Sticker. Natanggal na. This one is just a sticker made in Taiwan. Sticker. Okay, Glock 17 Gen 5. Yan, by WE. WE markings on grip. Yan. Made in Taiwan. Gas blowback system. Okay, threaded barrel. You can install some tracer units. Yan, may thread yung barrel niya. Okay. Now, lagyan natin siya. Ito pala yung back strap. You can install the back strap. Kung gusto niyo mong lagyan siya ng back strap, sir. Ayan. Then, put the pin para siya mag-lock siya dito. Yung pin na nakalagay dyan, kailangan nyo po yan tanggalin. Okay? Sundutin nyo lang. Natatanggal po yan. Ayan. With the back strap. 2 back strap included. Ayan. Glock 17 Gen 5. Very nice. Okay, now let's do some chronograph testing. Let's put some gas. Inverted position, then upside down inverted position, then press. 1, 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay. And then, let's put some BBs. Lagyan lang natin muna ng dalawang bala. Ayan, then test natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, Sir Alan, sir. Testing. Chronograph testing. Okay. Fairing. 378.1. Lakas ha. 378.1 EPS. 378.1. One more. One more test. Fairing. 355.2. Okay. 355.2. Okay, and then nag-open chamber na po siya. So, ibig sabihin po, wala na po siyang bala. Open chamber. Okay, just release the magazine by pressing the mag release. And then, wag nyo po itong gagamitin itong slide stop. Para hindi po mapudpud yung slide stop notch. So, ang gagawin nyo po, pull back the slide. When you pull back the slide, yung slide stop, bababa po yan kasi may spring po yan. Then, release. Hammer down. Now, shooting test po tayo. Okay, again, shout out kay Sir Alan. This is your unit, the Glock 17 Gen 5 by WE. Okay, Sir Alan, testing of your Glock 17 Gen 5 by WE brand. Made in Taiwan. Okay, testing. Firing. Wow. And then open chamber. Release the magazine. Pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Alan, this is your unit, the Glock 17 Gen 5 by WE. If you have more questions, sir, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir.